So today I'm actually going to show you how to remove a quick weave. I'm in the process of about to do like another style, so I definitely said that I was going to pop in to just show you exactly how I take mine out. I guess the safe way, because I guess there's really no true safe way, but I guess just to avoid as much like breakage or damage as possible, because this can be used as a protective style. So let's get right into it. So I know some people like to go ahead and just try to wash out their quick weaves. Me, I would much rather try to get this oil going, and then I'll go ahead and just allow it to kind of slide out before committing to water, because if you go ahead and just wash your hair or try to condition it out of your hair, well, now, especially if you're natural, you have your real texture going on, it's wet, now you got the glue, it's kind of gonna warm up, especially if you're using warm water, it's gonna warm up, it's gonna end up spreading throughout all of your hair, so you kind of want to avoid that. So the goal is to get as much glue out of your hair as possible, hence the reason that I try to use 2 caps, or I do use 2 caps, and I don't use an abundant amount of glue. I don't go back in with the blow dryer to try to seal anything. Like, no, when it's time for it to come out, it comes out. So anyway, you can pretty much use any oil that you're comfortable with. The one that I'm going to be using today is, of course, Cream of Nature Argan Oil. Y'all, they really need to sponsor me at this point, because I'm just like, these are probably the only products that I use. But anyway, it is their anti-humidity gloss and shine mist. Now that has nothing to do with what I'm using it for. I just need something that's going to be, you know, kind of, I guess oil based. I just need something that's going to be oil based so that I can kind of slide this baby out. So if you guys saw my last video, I did go ahead and just add in some tracks in my leave out area to allow this to kind of just like blend with my hair. Well, this is what my hair is looking like, y'all. Crazy, all up in my business, whatever. So let me just get this out of the way, and let me show you where that track is. So here's my hair, and then here's that track. So I'm just going to start by taking these out first. I did tell y'all that I'm going to eventually use this as like a quick weave unit. So these tracks are just kind of like spare, so I'll definitely hold on to these. Alright, so here's the track, and then here is the oil, of course, and you just want to start spraying directly on the area that you want to lift. So of course by the end of this you're going to be extremely oily, so of course you just want to rub it out. Kind of rub that through, starts to kind of tug and pull on it just a little bit. If it's not coming out like this with ease, you want to spray more, because you definitely don't want to tug at your hair, because your hair is going to come out, so don't do that. You definitely just want to rub. You're literally rubbing this out. As you can see, it's just sliding out. None of my hair is attached to the track, nothing like that, like it's just the track. So, and then as far as glue that was on my scalp, I don't have anything on my hair because it was laid directly on my scalp, and so the glue that was there is still literally on the track. So that would be the safest way to kind of take this out. Literally, like, there's no glue on my hair, literally nothing. Okay, so then you want to do the same thing. So I think I'll put another track here. Alright, and just go ahead and spray. Rub, kind of tug at it a little bit, see how it's moving. Spray some more. Make sure when you do this, like, make sure you're not using your mom's spray. I used to get in trouble all the time because mom would be like, where is my argan oil spray, where is my spray? And I knew good and well I didn't use all of it. I used all of it for my quick weaves to take it out. So y'all, just go to Walmart and get you some spray. Please don't be using other people's products. Don't be using. What's going on, Christiana? Alright. So you see that? Alright. In this case, still no hair came out. The glue is still on the track. But apparently I used a little bit more glue than I may have used on the last one. Because right here, not sure if you can see that little right here, that's glue. So what I would do is spray my hair. Get it overly saturated. I'm going to take a comb. Looks just like this, ragtail comb, but not the really fine tooth ones. This one is plastic, which means it will not get trapped like in between these comb hairs or anything like that. This one is just like, it's really smooth. It already feels like it has oil in it. If it makes you comfortable, you could totally spray the comb with the oil, and then you go through just like that. And then the little piece of glue that was there. Oh, okay. Where did it go? I don't know. I think I just got it on my floor. Oh, I did. Alright, so this little bitty piece of glue that was in my hair is now out. It didn't spread to any other parts or nothing like that. Like literally everything that was there is gone. So now I just have free hair. So I'm going to do this again on the other side. There's the track. Spray, spray, spray. Rub. And this one's really tight. I feel it. Like it's not going anywhere. So if that is the case, what you can do is go right behind that and actually spray it. Alright, so I feel it loosening up. Just trying to make sure it's gonna slide out. Like I said, I don't want to pull it out. There it is. And all of that glue is literally right there on it. Yeah, I think the sun is coming up, so this lighting is gonna get crazy. Okay, but anyway. Alright, so then here's that next track. Spray, spray, spray. This was the additional track that I added in to kind of refresh the Quickweave. Just want to kind of get that one moving. Literally. There we go. That one came out because I think it was just literally sitting there. Same thing, the glue is still on the track. Alright. So y'all, I literally don't have any glue in my hair, on my scalp, like nothing. But you see how oily my hair is too, right? So that allows for that slip, and you literally would continue to do that like if you didn't have the cap on or anything, or even if you did a glue in, because I've done like where I've silk pressed my hair and then I put tracks in between it, like glued it in. Let me know if y'all want to see that. I have not done it in so freaking long, but I would love to do it. It just kind of like adds a lot of like body, and if your hair is kind of short, you can get it a little bit longer. It would be like before clip-ins were clip-ins, or I just couldn't afford clip-ins and I didn't know how to make them at the time, so I definitely would just like glue in tracks. But anyway, so yeah, so this is pretty much that. Now what I'm going to do to show you how to remove this entire unit, so this part will get a little crazy. I'm looking like real crazy right now. Alright, so I want to get this out of the way. So I'm just going to start spraying like all around the perimeter. Spray and massage, literally. Look at that, it's already coming up, really. So you just continue to spray and massage. Remember, don't pull. That's the main goal here. Do not pull. You just massage it out. Continue to massage. We're not tugging, we're not pulling, we're literally just spraying this out. Now the part where your braids are kind of attached, you want to be gentle because it will more than likely have been the most attached to the cap. So you want to spray away, like literally go crazy, because those are the ends that you want to protect. See, so there's this one braid on here and you just want to free at last. This is what my hair is doing. Alright, and here is my new wig. So one track looks like it slips a little bit. Of course it probably should have, right? So anyway, this is what it's looking like. Alright, so I have a full-blown U-part wig, and literally everything is still attached. Like the cap is still intact. If you look on the inside, you'll actually notice that I never really used that much glue. So as you can see, there's not like an abundant amount of glue that's like seeping through. So I didn't use like so much glue that you're just like, my hair is about to be damaged. And then just this one track kind of slipped, which is fine. Yeah, literally all I would do is just glue that back onto the cap. And once that dries, all that I would do is definitely go ahead and wash this unit with cold water, like cold water. Look how pretty it is still. It's so pretty, and especially if you're gonna spend all this money on hair, like I'm not throwing this away. Like I would have even taken off all the tracks, washed it, and made a full-blown wig out of it, but no. So this is just fine. It will last, you guys. It really will. If you ever find any tearing in your cap, all that you need to do is get a mannequin head, put a shower cap on it. So it's kind of like how I showed you in my video of how to make a quick weave wig. Put a shower cap on top of your mannequin head. Go ahead and put a regular wig cap on top of that, and then apply the wig onto it. You can literally either sew that down or glue this entire unit to the new cap, and you should be fine. So literally it's just like repurposing the caps. But yeah, I mean, y'all, I have so many tricks and like, I don't know, so many tips and tricks of how to maintain wigs and weaves and just kind of like make your money work for you. So I know I'm over here looking like a little Wavy right now with all of this, but I just want to show you, like, I'm filling my hair. I literally don't have any like random splotches of glue. I think the only place that I would have some glue, let me see. Actually, it should have been some right up in here because I remember applying a little right here, but it's not even there. So maybe it did come off with the cap. Alright, so what I'm going to do really quickly is go ahead and take out my braids, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the oil to kind of pull out any additional glue that may have been stuck or trapped in between my braids. Be right back. Alright, so remember y'all, when I originally like did my braids from the original video, this is kind of like perfect because you literally get a full braid down. You got how to install it, how to style and refresh, and then now how to take it down. So if you've seen all the series or the other 3 videos, or look at my fingers, the other 3 videos, then yeah, you'll remember that I did sew down my braids in the back. So I'm literally just gonna take, so I kind of like fill my fingers, and then I take my scissors, and I don't cut because I'm not sure if it's my hair or not. So I literally just kind of wiggle it out, so until the thread pops. So I'm just feeling, I think it already popped actually. Okay, there's some thread. There you go. And literally, it's almost like, because I use my braids and I flip them up, when I apply like the cap, it kind of protects my hair right here. And so it will be a lot easier for me to just go ahead and put some oil on the ends of my hair to comb the glue out if there was any. But y'all, it's really like nothing. It's crazy because I usually get a lot of glue. Sometimes I go a little crazy with the glue. I guess that just means I'm getting a little better. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just take out these braids, and I will be back when I'm done. Alright y'all, so the sun is coming up. My lighting is getting like really weird, or maybe I'm just really yellow, I don't know. Anyway, so I've completely taken out all of my braids, and this is just pretty much what my hair is left and looking like, really just dirty and yeah, just all over the place. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just completely saturate my hair with the oil before like combing through it. Some people would do this with conditioner, but like I said, I don't like to get my hair wet because it's already stretched out and it'll be a lot easier to kind of go through than when I curl it, because it's just, or when I get my hair wet, because my texture is just so weird. So I'm taking a wide tooth comb and starting off by just separating the hair. Already I'm not getting like too much of my hair that's coming out, so that's good. Probably just like regular shedding, so keep that in mind when you do take out your installs. You're gonna get some shedding because your hair literally sheds every single day, so depending on how long you've had it in, you may get a little bit more. Now obviously your hair shouldn't be falling out in chunks, but alright, well, this is how much hair I got. Nothing too crazy, but enough, right? Oh, and so inside of this I do see little pieces of like glue, little glue balls. So now that I have it all detangled, I'm going to go through with a smaller comb just to pick up and release any glue that may have been there, which I'm finding. Like I found some like right up in here. And I'm literally running against my scalp. I'm not just like going against my hair. So I do have little like glue spots like on my hair or on my hand, and so this lets me know that more than likely I do have little pieces of glue in my hair. So now that I would be ready to wash it, I would wash my hair first with conditioner just to make sure that it gets nice and moisturized, of course, and then I would go ahead and just wash it with shampoo and then condition again. So that's usually the way that I do it. I'm not going to show you that on camera because I'm of course going to like just do a whole bunch of other stuff like in between, but the goal was just to definitely show you how to take out the quick weave safely. And from here, like, I didn't lose any like major amounts of hair. My hair is still intact, and I literally only have little bitty spots of glue. So as you can see, that was pretty much it. My hair has grown so much, y'all. I've never been able to do this, like literally. I've never been one of those girls where I'm like, oh yeah, my hair used to be really long. Like, no, my hair has always been short. It's never gotten this big until I started to really take care of my hair and do these protective styles. Alright babes, so that's pretty much it for this video. I went ahead and just put my hair in like a ponytail and put on a hat, like literally that's it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a full-blown start to finish. If you have not seen the original video, make sure that you check that out to learn the braiding pattern, how to install it, how to maintain it, how to refresh the weave, how to take it down. Yeah, like you get a full-blown tutorial. So thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty. I will see you next time.